Meet the Genval Club Chair with cushions by Ratana, sleek, airy, and designed to turn everyday downtime into something special. Its sculpted black frame and refined rope wrap strike a modern, architectural profile, while the deep, tailored cushions bring that resort-caliber comfort to your patio, deck, or private courtyard. Built for real-life outdoors, Genval pairs a powder-coated, rust-proof aluminum frame with hand-woven, UV, and fade-resistant rope. The construction is commercial quality yet pleasantly lightweight, so it feels sturdy without being cumbersome, and there's no assembly required. Just unbox, place, and enjoy. Day-to-day upkeep is simple. A gentle hose-off or wipe keeps the frame looking fresh, and mild soapy water refreshes the rope and fabric. For peace of mind, residential coverage typically includes multi-year protection. Think long warranties on the aluminum frame and outdoor fabrics, plus dedicated coverage for rope and cushions, and most orders ship out quickly, often in just a couple of weeks. If you want a club chair that looks elevated, feels indulgent, and stands up to the elements, Genval checks every box. So, if you're ready to learn more or shop for this item, our San Diego-based team is ready to help. They've learned about every product firsthand in our showroom, so they can answer any question you have. Or if you're not in the San Diego area, just click the link to this item in the description below.